And now, marine life enthusiasts, come with us as we explore the mysterious world of the open ocean. The Marine Life Institute houses many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and
release! Today's the day! Look at all the visitors who came to see us all.
Yeah! Hi, little fella!
You know, I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here. Well, why don't you tell them?
Ooh, that'd be I come best. Yes, I come best.
Listen up! These travelers have come a long way, and they deserve a good story. So we're going to do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started
when Marlin met a blue tag named Dory. No, it's when they found that bag.
No, when they escaped those sharks. Oh, the part's scary. Oh, no.
Nope. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo.
Excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We are ready to learn, to get some knowledge.
Come on!
Okay.
Hey, Dad. Cool. Finding he met a shark when I'm at school.
No.
Or an angelfish. Is it true that they have wings?
I don't think so.
Can you believe there are so many things in the big world? I can go explore the big world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, Dad, do you know how big sea turtles are?
Sea turtles? If I ever meet one, I'll ask you.
Me too. Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle and a shark.
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws? You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale.
I want to meet a whale.
You need me around to watch your tail in the big blue world. You're just a little fish in the big blue world. You'll be seen as a tasty dish. You mean so much to me. I don't know what I would do in this big blue world if something should happen to you.
No need to worry, Dad. I'll be okay.
Scared you'll end up as a clownfish fillet. I can turn right around. Oh, we can wait one more year.
Don't be so worried, Dad. I'm calling
Nemo, hold my fin. Hold my fin!
The ocean's
Let's make the zones of the open sea. I'm Lord Explorers. Oh, who's this?
He's got a little fin we call his lucky fin. I find when he gets tired, just give him a break. 10, 15
It'll be
minutes.
all right. Oh, let's go, Explorers. Hold on tight. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Really are ready.
I don't think I'm ready.
Let's
dentist's boat.
What's that? Let's swim on and touch it. Oh, yeah, come on, Nemo. My dad said it's a very safe home. We'll get in trouble.
Nemo! No! You can't be anywhere near here!
I wasn't
You're not ready. I was right. You try school again next year. You know that you can't swim well. No, you can't. Now come along. You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong.
I hate you.
And with that, Nemo did swim right towards that boat.
Suddenly a diver appeared. Daddy!
Nemo!
But Nemo was gone.
Oh, it's gone! Has anybody seen a boat? Oh, please! They took my son! I'm coming, Nemo.
Look out! Sorry, sorry.
Help! He's got my son. He's got Nemo. Have you seen a boat?
A boat? I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Oh, thank you.
Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim here.
But we're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat? I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Wait! We already did this.
We did. Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
Something's wrong with you. Really. You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico!
Nemo.
Oh, hi!
Name's Bruce.
I'm Dory, and this
No,
is...
no, you don't need to know. We were just leaving.
I'd like to invite you mortals to a little party I'm having.
What's great for us, mate?
We're starving tasty minds. Right then, I'm eating as officially come to order. Let us all take a pledge. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Not food. We have long shot to eat. We're nice and lovely. We know that fish are friends, not food.
Sometimes.
Sure, we could eat you up, but we have the control. We know that fish are friends, not food.
I'd like to be your friend.
That's the rest of life in the ocean will lead to emotional eaters. When you need help getting through it and can't just won't do it, don't start feeding, surrender our meeting. Oh yes, we save the life. Each day we fight the fight to curb our appetite and change our attitude. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. No, fish are friends, not food.
Hey, look, a little pizza party!
Mind your distance, sir. You wouldn't want one of them to part.
Ow! You really clocked me there!
Oh, I'm sorry. Is your nose bleeding?
Oh, that's good. Into the nature. I need a little taste. Why let them go to waste? Green and Bobby don't friends. I need some food.
Look, it's the mask of the diver who took my son. One of these markings mean I can't read human.
And nothing! Let's go fix this game!
Dory, you can read? Read the mask! Oh,
Got you in my sight.
read the mask.
I'm having fish tonight. Green and Bobby don't friends. Green and Bobby don't friends. Green and Bobby don't friends.
Swim away, swim away!
No, dude. Is it safe? Well, we
right. This is the part where Nemo arrived at the dentist.
And he didn't even have an appointment!
No, our tank was just a pit stop. The little guy was a present for the dentist's niece, Darla.
Darla! Oh no! She's a fish killer! She shakes the bag!
Yeah, we weren't gonna let him go belly up. I had a plan. Hey kid, you'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
I got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Gil.
But this time, we got him. I promise, we will all get out as long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success.
Yeah!
We swim in harmony,
And we start dentistry
with our fish Apollo, Sherman, yes. Sharkmate, you're one of us now, and we can't send you off to your death. Darla's coming in 5 days, but you'll be long gone by then. We all will, if we do this the way we do everything else.
Too bad it didn't work.
We just had to find another way. Remember, all drains lead
To the ocean.
Speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, but there was one big problem.
The mask, I can't believe it's gone. That mask was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo.
Nemo.
Hey, Mr. Grumpy Gills. Life's full of little spills. Don't throw your fins up in disgust. Oh, what's the use of floating there, not going anywhere? Swish your tail and tug on and trust that you just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, what do?
We swim.
Right! La 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 la.
No singing, please. Now that song's gonna be stuck in my head.
Look, there's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
Please, Dory, trying to stay on task.
It says P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way. Sydney, I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mask.
Yay, we did it!
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
We follow our gut. Just keep swimming, everything will be okay. See, just keep swimming, your tail and sure enough we'll find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad, then poof, the moment is gone. And what do? We just keep swimming on.
Oh, hello. Excuse me. Hi, looking for my son. No, wait, please. I'm trying to talk to you. Stop! No, not you.
Hey!
Lady, is this guy bothering you?
I don't remember, were you?
No, you guys know how to get to
Look,
me.
pal, we're talking to the lady.
Fine.
Go easy on it, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
Any of you heard of P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney?
Sydney!
What you want to do is follow the EAC. That's an East Australian current. Just keep swimming. The current can't miss it. It's in that direction. Just keep swimming. Stand up, baby, before you right past Sydney.
It's not so big at all.
Nemo was losing hope. His dad was even out there at all.
He's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff. He's probably angry 'cause I was wrong. I'm sure that he's not coming. Not my dad.
But his dad was coming. At that very moment, Marlin and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And he was, as the kids say, totally awesome.
You've traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Yeah, but exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and surf the sea with me. Go with the flow. Go with the Listen, Mr. Turtle, oh, dude, Mr. Turtle's my father. Name's Crush.
Show me 360 square. Check this out. Whoa. Wow.
Oh my goodness! Number 2. Why don't you take it slow? I'll see how Squirt does flying so. Well, only a sea monkey don't pull. You so totally wrong, Squirt! Such an amazing kid. Children, huh? It's awesome. Eggs on a beach that they find their own way back to the big island. By themselves. But what if they're not ready? I mean, how do you know? Well, you never really know. But if the river's on the ground, then you gotta let 'em go. You know, just go with the flow. Go with the
News of Marlin's journey traveled far and wide. The sea turtles told their fish friends.
Who told the lobsters?
Who told the swordfish?
Who told the dolphins?
Who told the albatross?
Who told the pelicans?
Who flew that news right to our windowsill? Nemo, did you hear? Your dad's been fighting the entire ocean looking for you.
My father, really? Where is he? He's in Sydney Harbor right now. Oh, that's my dad. I knew all along. Underneath, he's really brave and strong. He's on his way now, and I'm so glad. Now the fish
It's over. Nemo's gone. I couldn't. I'm going home now.
Wait, where are you going?
Dory, if it wasn't for you, I never would have made it here, so thank you.
Wait, stop! No one's ever stuck with me for so long before. Please don't go away. Please.
Nemo? Nemo!
What?
This is Dory! She helped me find you. I thought I lost you. I saw you belly up.
I was just pretending so they flush me down the drain.
Oh, thank goodness I'm safe.
I don't hate you.
No. I'm so sorry, Nemo. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle, and he was 150.
150? Wow. So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together, then you'll tell me.
Want to make it 3?
So, Nemo and his dad were finally reunited.
And inspired by Nemo's big escape, we hitched our own ride out of 10 on the Plastic Bag Express.
And that's how we ended up here.
Yeah!
Oh, I just love a happy ending.
Oh, wait! What happened when you got back home to the reef?
Well, it's release day. What do you say we go find Nemo and see for ourselves?
Well, catch you later, folks. We got dates with a big thing.
Now go and get some knowledge.
And come home when you're done.
Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun.
Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
There's something I forgot to. I love you, Dad.
I love you too, son. Now go have an adventure.
Bye, Dory.
We're so glad you could spend part of your day here at the Marine Life Institute. Thank you for joining us.
If Nemo's story inspired you to expand your knowledge of marine life and the world around you, you can also connect with nature by exploring a local beach or spending time watching wildlife on the shore. Remember, our friends in the big blue world are counting on all of us to make a positive conservation impact. Thank you and goodbye.